Hi, my name is Regina Roderick. I'm a physical therapist at Illinois Bone and Joint Institute. I'm here today to bring you some basic gluteal strengthening exercises, which can be really important for stabilizing either your back and your knee after an injury or a surgery. The first exercise we're going to do today is the gluteal set. The purpose of this exercise is to be able to find and fire your gluteal muscles well, so we know how to access them as we build on strengthening exercises later in your program. For this activity, you can lay on your bed, on your couch, even in your recliner, or if you haven't had a surgery, you can do this on the floor as well. This exercise can be done with your legs out straight, or if that's uncomfortable, you can also do this with your knees bent and flat on the surface you're resting on. For this exercise, all you need to do is squeeze your gluteal muscles as if you're trying to hold something in. You'll squeeze and hold for a count of 5, and then relax. Start with sets of 10, and then you can build in multiples of 2 or 3 as you get better at finding and firing those muscles. This next exercise is the standing hip abduction. The purpose of this exercise is to strengthen and build endurance in your hip muscles to help better support you as you're standing and walking. For this exercise, we're gonna move the right leg and stand on the left. You need to engage your gluteal muscles on the supporting leg, on your standing leg, and then you will kick the moving leg directly out to the side. For this exercise, it's very important to keep your trunk up nice and tall and to keep your hips nice and level. You can start with sets of 10 and build in 2 sets, 3 sets as you get stronger with this exercise. The next exercise is standing hip extension. The purpose of this exercise is to build strength and endurance in your hip muscles so you can better support your back, hip, and knee as you're standing and moving throughout your day. For this exercise, we're going to move the right leg. To prepare, we're going to engage the glutes on the left side and then utilize the glute muscles here to extend your legs straight back behind you. For this exercise, it's important that the gluteal muscles here are the drivers of the motion, and your leg stays straight as you extend it back behind you. Make sure your shoulders stay up tall. Do not tip them forward. And keep your back nice and quiet. Do not let it arch as you do this exercise. Start with sets of 10 and build your sets as you get stronger with this exercise. Our last exercise is sidestepping. The purpose of this exercise is to build strength and endurance in your gluteal muscles. For this exercise, you may want to do this standing near a counter or the back of a couch if you might need a little assistance for balance. For this exercise, simply step one leg out to the side and let the other one come to join you. It's very important during this exercise that you keep your toes pointing forward and your trunk up nice and tall as you complete the exercise to ensure that you're using the correct muscles.